Who the hell wants to be sweating this summer in the kitchen cooking? I certainly don't. So welcome to my no sweat slow cooker series where we're doing all recipes summer related, and today we are doing some lentil taco meat in the slow cooker. So this is for all you vegetarian people out there that's looking for vegetarian recipes. I think this is going to be super versatile. You can make tacos with them, you can make bowls, you can make crunch wraps, salads, literally anything that you would normally use taco meat, you can use this on. And we're doing it all in the slow cooker, and you don't have to turn your oven on. So let's get to it. Into your slow cooker, you're gonna put 1.5 cups of rinsed lentils. They can be green or red. They go in. Can of green chilies. I think this is great too. This is a great like budget meal if you're on a tight budget and ground meat might not be in your budget. This is great because lentils are very cheap. A can of diced tomatoes. You could even use the fire roasted ones if you wanted to. I'm adding in about a half of a medium onion diced. That's the only chopping that you're gonna have to do. So if you really wanna save time, you can do that the day before. Now I'm gonna add 3 cups of veggie broth. I use the paste, so I'm gonna add my water first. 3 cups. Now we're gonna put I usually do a couple scoops of this. This is the Better Than Bouillon, the veggie broth. Now we're gonna season our hearts away. First, we're gonna start with some oregano, and I will give some exact measurements in the recipe, but I'm just going to season my heart away here. Some paprika, do a little onion powder, garlic powder, some parsley. Whoa, that was a lot of parsley. Chili powder, black pepper, lastly some salt. Use a good stir. And we are gonna set these to low. You can do anywhere from 7 to 8 hours. I'm gonna do it for 7, and then this is gonna kick over to warm when it's done. Here's what it looks like. We are home, we are changed out of our work clothes, and our lentil taco meat is all ready. Confession, I forgot to add cumin this morning, so I did add that when I got home. About 2-3 teaspoons, and you're good to go. So I added that and stirred it up. I will show you the lentil taco meat. It looks good, it smells good, so I'll hold. Here it is. If you didn't want it as soupy, you can put it back on high until you're ready to eat. I'm just gonna use a slotted spoon to serve it, and it'll get rid of some of that liquid, so no biggie. Let's build our taco. You know what even would be a brilliant idea is you can make the baked potatoes in the slow cooker one night, have some leftovers, make this taco meat, and make a taco stuffed baked potato. That would be delicious. Fixins here, lettuce, tomatoes, shredded cheese. I threw together a quick little guac. I keep it pretty simple. Lime juice, chopped onion, tomato, garlic, salt and pepper. Very simple. Come a little closer. You could add sour cream too. That would be delicious. My cheese. A little extra lime, tomatoes, some of my guac, and some lettuce. Yum. I forget that it's actually nice out and we can come outside and eat. Let's try this out. That's really good. That is a great faux taco meat. I highly recommend. Give it a try. Sign up for my mailing list. Check out the website. Happy no sweat summer.